Hi, so I know that you're here because you want to create the best wedding day that you can without the overwhelm. With so much to do and so many opinions, I know that it can become physically and mentally exhausting. My name is Paula Burns, and I have been helping couples make the best use of their time and their wedding budget for over 16 years. During my 5-day workshop, you will learn how to get clear about your wedding day and also get to understand the biggest choices and how to manage them. Getting it right usually comes down to two main things: knowing what questions to ask and understanding the key options that will work best for you. So there will be 5 key tasks and the opportunity for you to connect with me live every day for 5 days so that you can get your questions answered. Don't worry, you will be able to work at your own pace, and each task shouldn't take you any longer than 30 minutes, sometimes less. And if you miss the live sessions, you can always catch up on the replay. All the action will take place in a private Facebook group. So click the button below and follow the instructions to join the group. I'll see you there.